Hello students, good morning. In the earlier classes we have learned, we have done with the table, no? This Harini table, yes. We have done the comparing table. Have you done? I have given you the homework, no? Have you done? Okay. So today we will discuss the continuation, the second bit. If you have textbooks, please open textbooks, okay? And see. So look at the following sentences, paying special attention to the underlined words. So there are some underlined words. We have to see that. See please. The tiny ants which are always busy tickled the dark buffaloes. Here the underlined word is always. Yes. They often held musical evenings in the large open field. Here the underlined word is often. So what are these underlined words? These underlined words are called as, always, often, these underlined words are called as adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency. So what are called as, you know adverbs, then what are adverbs of frequency? Yeah, adverbs of frequency are the adverbs which are frequently, they come frequently or mostly used. So these words are mostly used. That means they are used many times. These words are used many times. See, for example, I'll say always. Always is used mostly. Yes. So many times always we can use. So those words which we use many times or which are used frequently and which are used many times, yeah, and mostly, these are called as adverbs of frequency. Yes, the words which we use frequently or many times, those are called as adverbs of frequency. So there are some words, there are some adverbs of frequency words. There are 6 main adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of, yes, there are 6 main words of adverbs of frequency. So what are those words? Let's see. Always, usually or normally. See students, this slash indicates or, okay, or. So third one, often, sometimes, and rarely, never. Okay, these are, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 main adverbs of frequency. These are seen very frequently. Okay, what are they? Always, usually or normally, often, sometimes, rarely, never. See, these all words we'll use, right? These all words we'll use mostly. So these words are called as adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency. Please note it down. So, yeah, have you done with it? So, they have given one passage. So, in that passage, we have to identify what are the words that show adverbs of frequency. See, read the following passage and underline the adverbs of frequency. Yes. So, I'll read the passage. Please point with the finger. Shaker is a busy taxi driver. In this, any adverbs of frequency is there? No. So he never finds time to read books. So he never finds. See, in those six words, I have given you the word never. So never is there anything? Yes. So underline the word never. Okay. See the words which I have given for you. Yes. See the words. So he never finds time to read books. Underline the word never. He often takes food outside. See, often. Often is also adverb of frequency. Often. Underline the word often. Takes food outside. He reaches home early in the evening. Early in the evening. Early is also adverb of frequency because early also we will use mostly. That means, for example, we'll use for morning, early in the morning, early in the evening, yes, and also we'll use for come early, yeah. So for so many times, the word which is used so many times in different ways, those are called as adverbs of frequency. So early, yes, and next thing, but he seldom goes to bed early. Underline the word seldom also. So seldom is also adverb of frequency. What is seldom? Seldom means rarely. Okay, rarely. Seldom means rarely. Goes to bed early. So his children always ask him for a bedtime story. So here underline the word always. Always ask him for a bedtime story. Sometimes he takes his children for picnics. See, sometimes. Sometimes is also used many times. Yes. So sometimes we'll say that sometimes I cook food. Sometimes I play outside. Sometimes I read books. So sometimes is used in many ways. So sometimes is also adverb of frequency. Sometimes, yes. So these are the words we have identified in the passage. We have identified in the passage. So next, as I have said during the Zoom session, what is conversation? What is conversation? Conversation. Okay, what is conversation? Conversation means if you meet anyone or if you talk with anyone. For suppose if you talk with your mom only daily, yes, you speak with one topic, yes. So that gives you conversation, yes. So talking to each other is called as conversation. Communicating with each other is called as conversation. Yes, so here we have, they have given some conversation and what they are asking will see. Look at the conversation between two friends. See, this is between two friends it seems. Murthy and Krishna, fill in the blanks with always, never, often, seldom, sometimes. So here they have given the conversation, it is between two friends. So they have given some blanks. See, they have given some blanks. So we have to fill in the blanks with the words given. What are the words given? Always. They have given the words never, often, seldom, and sometimes. So these are the words given. We have to fill the blanks with these words only. Yes, they have given in our question. So what are these words? These words are adverbs of frequency. Yes. So see, please see the conversation, students. Murthy. See, Murthy is saying. So there are two friends. Who are they? Murthy and Krishna. You don't get confused. Murthy and Krishna. So these two people are friends. So they met sometime. They met one day and this conversation they are going with. Okay, these are two friends. So Murthy is saying, what this Murthy is saying? This is Murthy. What is saying? Do you like to watch films? He's asking to Krishna. Do you like to watch films? He's asking. So Krishna, what he'll say, we'll see. Yes, very much. Yes. Yes, very much. I dash watch films. So, what will you use in this blanks? Very much. I dash watch these films. So, which is best suitable for this blank? Always, never. See, yes, very much. I dash watch films. A film a day. That means he's saying, I will watch films. Here they have mentioned that a film a day. That means he will watch films. Yes. How about you? So he will watch films. So what he is saying? He will watch films a day. Means every day he will watch a film. A film a day. That means one film one day he will watch. So what will he use in this blank? Always, never, often, seldom. What is always? Yes, I always watch films. Then never, I never. This is not suitable. Why? Because he is saying here a film a day. He watch a film a day. So this is not suitable. And often means sometimes. Often means very frequently. Means going on. So that doesn't comes here. And seldom, that means rarely. No. Sometimes. No. Why? Because he is saying here he will watch a film a day. That means a film a day. Yes. So always is a word. There you have to write. So you have to write always in the blank. And next, Murthy. I like films too, but I dash watch films, not always. So what Murthy is saying? I like films, but I dash watch films, not always. Here what is saying? Not always. Means I will not watch all the time. So what will be suitable for this? Always. No. Always will not be. And never? No. Why? Because he is saying I will also watch films, he is saying. So this is also not suitable. Often. Often means frequently. That means very what? Frequently. Most times. Yes. So this is also not suitable. Seldom means rarely. Seldom means rarely. And this sometimes. So here the suitable word is sometimes. Why? Because he is saying he will watch films, but not always. So not always, but he'll watch. Then what will be the word? It will be the sometimes. It will be sometimes. Sometimes. So then the next thing, Krishna, how dash do you watch films? How dash do you watch films? So Krishna is asking to Murthy, how dash will you watch films? The suitable word is often. How often do you watch films? How often do you watch films? So the next thing is Murthy, once or twice a month. He's saying once or twice a month. So then again Krishna, oh that's fine. Have you watched Sri Ramarajyam? You know Sri Ramarajyam movie? Yes. So he's asking, you watch Sri Ramarajyam? Murthy, he's saying, no, I haven't. I will watch it next month. How dash does your wife watch films? So again the Murthy is asking about his wife. How dash does your wife watch films? So what will be, how always does your wife watch films? No. How never? No. How often? Yes. How seldom? No. How sometimes? No. So here the suitable word is often. How often your wife watch films? So I think the word is often. Next, Krishna, what he is saying? She dash watch films. She watched one 10 years ago. She actually she will watch films very less. What he is saying here? 10 years ago, 10 years back, she watched one film. He's saying like that. 10 years ago, 10 years back, she watched a film. So what the word can you use here? She dash watches film. She watched 1 year ago. What is saying? She will not watch always. Yes. She will not watch so always. No. Never. No. What is saying? She will watch. But 10 years ago she has watched. So never will not come. Often. No. Seldom. Seldom. Seldom is rarely. Yes. Sometimes. No. Why? Because he's saying that 10 years ago. 10 years ago means it's very rare. Very, very rare. So rarely she watches a movie. That means seldom. See students, are you getting to understand? Yeah. Please open your textbooks. By opening your textbooks and seeing that conversation, you will get to understand. Okay. So what I have said, please note it down in your classworks. Yes, note it down in your classworks. And if you have textbooks, note it down in your textbooks also. If you have any doubts, please make your doubts in one paper or one book. And in the Zoom session, we will discuss. Okay, you can ask me in the Zoom session. Please note it down. Okay, students, today we'll end up with the class, and in the next class we'll see some other grammar. Okay, then thank you.